Hello guys, some of my investors and my clients do have some issues regarding SIP cancellations because obviously some EMCs or website are not working. So how to do it with KFinTech? Log into this website, mfs.kfintech.com investor. Okay. Scroll down and you'll see here SIP cancellation. You have to enter your PAN card here. I'm not robot. We generate OTP. Enter the OTP here. Validate OTP. Here you will see your name will be here, right? And if you want to pause or cancel the system restrict transactions, it is SIP, you can do that. And yes, you have to select the fund. Here, you obviously you're not able to see the fund here, but if you have any EMC fund to any EMCs, you will be able to see that. You just have to click and cancel. So this is the simple steps for that.